Welcome back to another trade recap. Today I made $0 day trading. Let's get into it. I did not even wake up for today's session, bro. Let me tell you what happened. I'm in bed at 11:40, right? And I'm like, all right, bet I'm gonna wake up at 8 and I'm gonna go for a run. Then I'm gonna get on the charts, you feel me? And then I'm in my bed for 4 hours and I literally can't fall asleep. Like, I was literally crashing out and I was in my thoughts for 4 hours. So now I've decided to invest in a journal, write all my thoughts down, and yeah, before bed, so I fall asleep easier. So I was like, you know what, bro, it's 4 a.m. I'm not gonna try to wake up at 9 and try to predict what the market's doing, bro. Like, there's no point in that. So yeah, that's why I missed this setup, but it's chill because I still would have made $0 today. There's been no setups. So $0 P&L. The only setup I've seen this week is one. That's the only one setup I've seen. Okay, so let's get into today's trade recap. Well, there's been 2 setups so far. It's 2 or 3. One of them is a win, was a mech model Monday, and I literally was up till 4. One of them was and then the rest were break evens. But bro, I just need to get my sleep schedule right. Like, I've just been undisciplined with my sleep schedule. Like, I don't know what else to say. Okay, so what we have here, okay, is we're clearly bearish. I don't really want to trade. Like, obviously this could happen. Shoot, what the heck? Obviously this could happen and we could get continuation longs like this, and like that's possible, but like I'm like maybe. Or this. Okay, that's just what I want to see off open. Okay. Boom. Boom. Hop down to the lower time frame. Then we move up. We get a 1 minute inverse. The reason why I'm neglecting these equal highs is because you want equal highs. Like, you don't want equal highs like this. Like, let's just say there were equal highs in here. You don't really want these. Like, the only equal highs I'm gonna be fading are equal highs like this. Like this. If these two were equal highs, I'd fade that. But we get a 1 minute inverse right here, highest time frame in this manipulation leg, but we do interact with our break-even point before we get the inverse, so I am just fading the setup. Okay. Then we sweep this 1 hour internal low. We sweep this 1 hour internal low on NQ, and we're looking for a mech model, see if ES is in a spot of distribution. ES is technically holding this 15 minute, technically. Very, very technical, but like it is holding this 15 minute. So I am open to taking longs because it is technically holding this. Like, this could still reverse. So basically, then we tap the low and then we get internal. This isn't really the best internal structure. I most likely still would have taken this though. That's why I'm gonna just count this as a break-even trade. This would have been a brutal break-even trade. Just target the 1-to-1. This would have been a brutal break-even trade. But yeah, I think that seeing a stop rate here is a lot better. And like, I feel like, okay, for me, I just want to see the low get taken and then us to distribute lower. But this is something I can journal because with mech models, I want to see, let's say we sweep the low and then go like this, then can we take a mech model to the upside right now? Okay, I want to see that. Or does it have to be a thing where we take the low, move up a decent, like a little bit, and then sweep the low again and then take a mech model? I'm gonna check back at my previous mech models I've journaled, see which ones work, see which ones lose, and then I'll get back. I'll see, you know what I'm saying? But this would be the play I probably would have taken with my knowledge currently. Like, obviously I can be a better trader, but this would have been a break-even play. I'm gonna cover the second mech model though, because this one is just better. We get a long right here. After our stop rate, our stop loss is more protected. Break even at these highs right here. And flush. Oh my gosh. This would have been a break even also. Like, wow. Wait, should I have gone break even right there? Yeah, I mean, wow. It's just like, nah, this wouldn't have worked either. But They both would have been break-evens. But, like, I mean, I don't know. Like, really do not know what to tell you. Wow. Wow, this is actually crazy. This is actually crazy. Okay, well, maybe. Yeah, this literally would have been a break-even. Like, there's nothing you can do about it. Wow. This price action's butt. Oh my gosh. Like, dang, I can't even execute a Mac model. But yeah, I just really have not seen any setups, to be honest, like in these past couple days. Everything else of the session was chop. Everything else in the session was pretty trash. But yeah, still something to review on that mech model, because although both of them were break-even trades, I think it's more the price action. So, but obviously, guys, if you're losing trades, don't blame the price action, bro, because you're the one clicking the buttons. So, it's like, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I really do not know. Like, do not know what I do not know. But yeah. Also, guys, tomorrow will be my last trade recap. I'm going to put up a community post about it, just because I'm going to be out of town and I'm not bringing my laptop, because I kind of want to just get away from, like, posting for a little bit. I've been posting every single day for, like, the past month, except for weekends. But, yeah, I've been posting 5 times a week for the past, like, month or two. So I just want to get away, you feel me? I mean, when I come back, if I take wins or I take losses, I'm going to post about them. But otherwise, nothing really is going to come out of my YouTube channel for next week. But yeah, all right, that's gonna be it for today's trade recap. I will see y'all boys tomorrow.